Next stop on cleaning our way through my house is going to be the fridge. We're going to take everything out. First, the leftovers, which got, well, left. Want to make sure all those containers are clean. Take everything out of your fridge. You're going to go through that later. Next, we'll take off the shelves, get them in the sink. Then I'll put a big towel on my counter for everything to dry. Drizzle a little bit of that cleaning sauce on there. Scrub it up, dub. Make sure you give it a little spa treatment. Get all that gunk off. Let it sit out to dry. Next, we're going to move on to the drawers because those get real crusty too. While everything's drying, we're going to spray the fridge down with this disinfecting spray. Give it time to really marinate. Then we're going to wipe. I like to wipe from the top down so none of the icky, crumbly pieces get dropped onto a clean surface. Then look at that. Looks so much better. Pop the drawers back in. Organize it in a way that makes sense to you. Now I'm ready for my grocery pickup this afternoon.
Therapeutic After Dark Cleaning Motivation.